Good Wednesday morning. This is going to be a little bit shorter of a video today, not as in depth as what we usually do, but starting off by taking a look at current conditions here for your Wednesday, July 31st, last day of July. And if you can see, we do have some cloud cover moving over the area. For the most part, mostly sunny to sunny skies look likely, but you have this brief area where you could see a few clouds just for the next few hours or so in some of these areas. But I would say just by looking, probably mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies, maybe a few or a few more clouds being possible throughout the day here. But once again, not expecting a whole lot in terms of that for the day. Not expecting many rainfall or anything of that nature really as we go throughout the day today. But taking a look at current conditions across the area, Arkadelphia D Queen area is still behind on the temperatures on here. This is still showing yesterday's temperatures, but a few of these areas, Camden's already up to 86, 84, 82, in the 80s elsewhere here as of 9:38 a.m. at the time of recording this. We do also have heat advisories out across the area, and I'll pull those up real quickly. Those are going to continue throughout the day today here as well, with those heat advisories continuing. It's going to continue to be a hot day. See where the excessive heat warnings are at across Arkansas, but once again, these are for the heat index values expected near or slightly above 105 degrees from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. There as well. Make sure, once again, and even up to 109 potentially down here across far southern southwest Arkansas there as well. Just make sure to stay hydrated as we go throughout the day today. High temperatures, they're going to continue to look to be in the pretty much in the upper 90s as or mid to upper 90s there as well. Taking a look at what the HRRR is showing for temperatures. Remember, this isn't exactly what these temperatures are going to look like, but it helps gives us that general idea on what we could potentially see as we go throughout the day, because this is one of the many tools we use to build forecasts. So once again, as we head throughout the day today, you're going to see these temperatures continue to increase across the area here as we let this load. And then as we head into this evening and afternoon time frame, you can kind of see temperatures going to be ranging in the mid, lower 90s, upper 90s, around 98 degrees being possible down to here. El Dorado has been a little cooler here recently than most of southern Arkansas, and that main reason is mainly being because of that moisture that we had there, but that's going to slowly start to go away, and I still think temperatures near 98 degrees or near 97, 98 degrees looks likely in these areas. Once again, the range probably going to be from I'd say 92, 93 to 98 across the coverage area. Mid 90s look likely for most of us here. Then as we head in the overnight, and then as we head into the rest of the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning, temperatures once again going to be in the 70s. Not expecting any really cooler conditions or anything of that nature. Now, I do want to continue to watch for the potential of maybe as we head into later this week, which the main forecast this week is going to be a lot like today. Sunny, hot conditions, hot, humid conditions with those heat index values up in the upper 80s heat index values up in the upper or in the hundreds, above around 105 to 110, and those air temperatures around mid to upper 90s across the coverage area, and overnight lows in the 70s. Then as we head into the really sunny skies look likely as well. Maybe like what we've seen today, maybe a cloud or two being possible there as well, but not expecting a whole lot as we go throughout the rest of this time frame. We're going to continue to monitor it, though, and keep you updated with the newest. Right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather. Still watching the tropics, but we'll have more on that later. Once again, make sure to follow us over on Facebook and Instagram for the newest information. We have graphics and such over there as well, usually, but we'll be back with a more in-depth video forecast come tomorrow, as for your day tomorrow as well. But as always, have a good rest of your Wednesday. See you back for the beginning of August and what's in store for the beginning of that and what's going on in the tropics. Still watching that area. That area still got an area that we're watching closely. It's now got a 60% chance of development in the next 7 days across this area down here near the Bahamas and Florida. in that general area. So we'll continue to watch that and continue to keep you updated with the newest there. But as always, have a good rest of your Wednesday. Thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.